I am. Oh, sweet. That's cool. Okay, so this is a test. Little introduction. I usually stream on Twitch. I usually stream on Twitch as in cosplay. And I stream in Welsh and English. Doing Frydion Cymraeg a Saesneg, so this will be a bilingual stream. Just testing out some Minecrafty bits and bobs now. So doing just arbrofi gyda bits. So I'll give you a brief little tour. So I've built this world all in Minecraft at the moment. So this is my I'm recreating Welsh history and Welsh folklore and mythology and stuff. This is my Tudor, medieval Tudor pub that I've got in tavern sort of type thing with hotels and stuff. I'll do a proper tour at one point. Neu neud tour iawn rhywbryd, ond yeah, mae hynna'n brofi. Dwi'n streamio gemau o fy PS4. Stream games from my PS4. So this is my my Welsh castle amalgamation of inspired by various Welsh castles here in Wales. Di cael ei sbdoli gan Castellin Cymraeg and Whiterun in Skyrim with all different levels. There are different lefelau in Skyrim. Gen i lot o waith i wneud dan, got a lot of work, and then yeah, this is inspired. So I wanted to create a world that was historically accurate, and then accurate hanesyddol, ond ddim mwy. Ond mae wedi cael ei creu I this like fancy D&D sort of world. Sorry, my Minecraft is really struggling with all the details in it. Minecraft fi'n struglo. But yeah, I've got this is the market and currently work. This is the market house. And there's house there. And I've got armourer. It's like another veg farmer. Got a meadery and a farm and the butcher's the other side, and a stables as well next to the tavern. This is the blacksmiths. This is the flour mill. Felin. Got the ranger. Hwn yw'r ranger lle mae'r coedwig. He makes sure all the things are done. So I've got like a location like this is where Devil's Bridge used to be, which is a location in Ceredigion. I'll go over back to the medieval tavern and I'll show you now. So yeah, I'm just building a little world, recreating Welsh history, but I kind of based it on medieval stuff at the moment. Actually, kind of ail-greu ar pethau medieval, and this is an actual location in Ceredigion near Aberystwyth. This is Devil's Bridge, and yw Devil's Bridge. Hwn yw just that tour bach sydyn. It's just like a little quick tour, so I'll go into the history and stuff. This valley is actually called Cwm Ceiri because this is the first location was spared was Tre'ceiri, which is an actual megalithic hill fort from 150 BC. So I've got my carpenter's house here in the middle of the woods with his workshop and stuff. Efo lle sair coed. I've got my little witch's hut, and where she's got all the stuff for medicinal things, all the flowers and stuff in the middle of the forest. This is then my little entrance to Tir na Nog, the land of the fairies, and I've got like a full dungeon in here. It was meant to be a mead hall, although I'm fod a mead hall I ddechrau, and I think I'm going to change it to like, not sure what I'm going to do with it, but yeah, this is the main great hall. There's lots of little side rooms and stuff. And this is I've got lots of lore for little things as well. This is Bwthyndy, Black Cottage there, and Llyndy, which in English is Black Lake. And what basically happened is the land used to be corrupted with all these like black tiles, and I forgot the name that I actually used for them. Let me just find that for you now. No. I used gilded blackstone, so I built all this out and I put gilded blackstone all over it. And the lore is that basically Black Lake or Llyndir used to be like corrupted and evil and stuff. Then an ethereal being, which is genderless because we don't really know who they are or what they are or how they identify. All the people know is that they saved this world. Created water in the land and healed the land. So I'm going to put like maybe some more black rocks under there and the various bits in the hills and stuff. And this is a portal to the fairy world, to actual Tir na Nog. And I don't know, kitty cat. They have to go into the white birch to go into the fairy realm. And then they're kind of the overseer. So this is their land, so they've got all, this is their like making stuff. They plan the they can't intervene in people's fate if they're dying and stuff, but they've got all the stuff to make things, they map the world and just make sure there's no like massive amount of evil in the world. So that is my world at the moment. I usually stream this, and I do so the first building that inspired this, because there's so most people have heard of Snowdonia. Probably probably cover Snowdonia and the Snowdon Mountain in North Wales, but the Avel the part of the rivals the three mountains in North Wales near Trefor and Nant Gwrthyn, which is a land, like a spot filled with lots of mythology of like you've got Owain and Maenir, you've got like megalithic, lots of like chiefs saying used to be like buried on Celtic chiefs are buried on top of the mountain supposedly. That's a whole thing to get into, so I kind of put like abandoned little huts and stuff that you see on top of the mountains and things. I really like how this has come so far. Why is this floating? There's some I've left floating and not, because it doesn't make sense. Okay. And then I built this, which is as much as I could replicate it from my memory. And this is a megalithic hill fort built around 150 BC to 200 BC. And it's the most kept one in Wales, I believe. The Avel, is the highest mountain in Penllyn, the Llyn Peninsula. So Snowdonia is just outside of Penllyn. And yeah, so I got a little bit smart. So if you guys be interested in this, I also do folklore art and stuff, so I don't know how I would set that up. I need to set that up on my laptop where I talk about folklore. I stream about Norse mythology, Welsh mythology, all that sort of stuff while doing stuff, and indie game showcases, so I might do that on here as well. So yeah, thank you if you watched this. Diolch am ddod. This is something to test, and I really, I'll be putting VODs from Twitch onto here, unedited, so you can see all the progress and all the progress of building this, most of the progress building this, but what I started doing now is building the village off stream and the historical stuff on stream. So except for today, this was like a little reverse thing. We're building the orchard. So yeah, so I'm building my orchard out of oak trees, and I'll show you how I'm building it quickly before I go off, because it seems appropriate, because this is what I was doing on stream today. So oak trees is how you get apples, and obviously an orchard just technically be apples, but you can put like pear orchards and stuff. So what I do is I just make sure there's enough space for it to grow, which this might not grow that far that way. Then what I do is, if you want to get the tall ones, which is you'll have more chance of getting apples, which you can use I think to tame horses and stuff, unless you create golden apples. If you don't have to do all 6, you can, and they grow tall. And put mine in a row an orchard, but if you wanted more of a foresty look, it's probably good to have it like randomly. But yeah, this is my orchard so far. They're not in a row this way, they're in a row horizontally. So yeah, little one. Let me know in comments and stuff. I'll try and keep on comments and things. But yeah, thanks so much for joining. This is really fun. Diolch am ddod. I might do some more YouTube stuff, but I'll announce it. I'm on Twitter, Instagram and stuff as Linnet Cosplay, and Facebook, and I tend to announce when I'm going to be live on there. But yeah, this was cool, and now I know I can do it. So diolch am ddod. Keep safe. I hope you guys keep safe, keep well, and yeah.